outside. It's super hot lately. It's summertime in California, aka the desert. I came to the conclusion that no one likes hard work anymore. It's like everything's become so easy, so now no one wants to put in the hard work. Remember how I said I'm not that dude? Needs a lot of work, and I'm not the dude. A little background information. I actually wanted to become a fabricator, and this is my chance. The universe has granted my wish. It looks proper, but this is how the old one is. I kind of like, look. That's the old one. It is shit. You know what's even scarier? That is the fuel neck. AMG tips look good. Stop talking and just do it. I'm just gonna do it. So I'm gonna mock it up, make sure the prep area is prepped, and then start tacking it. Whew. Fire! Fire! Ah! Hey! Fire! I'll give you guys an update what's happening. We got a fire multiple times, but that's out to be expected. Show you guys a little insight. Check it out. Your boy's putting in work right here. Fire protection achieved. Alright, I'm done. I'm calling quits. Check it out, y'all. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below, yeah? We got it double stitch right here. I know, it looks pretty ugly. It's because it's flux core. If I had a MIG, it would have been great. But I had to do what I had to do with, you know what I'm saying? Up next, seam seal it all up. Don't want water to get in. I think we might be good in half. I'm excited. Be back tomorrow, seam seal that bad boy up. Dude, I'm like so high from all the flames. So I'm pretty high, and I was so in the mood that I totally forgot to record. But it's on like the 4th day now. Everything's welded up. I thought that was actually paint. Turns out it's primer. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Don't criticize me too much. So seam sealer all around. This is primer. I didn't even know it was primer. I thought it was freaking paint. That is factory seam sealer. So it's all just sprayed, I guess. I brushed mine on so it looks like shit. Alright, so in the inside I've done the same thing, brushable and the gun seal it, and then I hit it with this bad boy, some truck bed liner, and it came out something like this. So that's all the seam sealer on there. Seam sealed all up. I made sure I put a lot because I do not, like I said, do not want no rust. I kind of like how it looks with the black truck bed liner. Time just to reassemble and then start enjoying it. Ah! Hey! Voila! Look at these hands. After replacing the bent trailing camber adjuster arm in the back, finally welded it in. We test drove it. I went to the junkyard a couple times. Fast forwarding to it's being done. It's done and it drove like an M3 should, and I'm pretty stoked. Didn't think I was gonna be an M3 dude, but like I'm just happy that I have the M3 and then M5. The only thing I could complain about is just the rear end. Like I'm so used to E34s, and this thing was kind of like unnecessary. Like why'd they do this? I had to take off the camber arm bolt right there next to the diff, and I had to drop the diff. Granted, it was kind of easier to drop the diff on this one. I'm not crying that much. Other than that, I still need to do a little bit of engine work, like a tune-up. Let me show you the rear end one more time. So yeah.
What? You painted it?
Oh, you didn't see it?
No.
Oh, what? Yeah, it looks like that now.
Wow, it looks good. How'd you paint it? Oh, you spray painted it.
Spray painted? Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so I shot cleaner. I'm stoked. I'm happy. This thing is good. I'm still taking it easy because I want to reinforce it. But for the most part, the M3 is alive and running. Part of me actually kept it because a lot of people kind of looked at it and just said, oh, it's junk. And them not wanting to put the work in made me want to put the work in. And now, look who's laughing. Ha ha ha! Motherfuckers. It still needs a lot of work. The big things are fixed. Now it's time to pay attention to the small details. Make it go up to par again. And I think I might keep it auto for a little bit just because it's so smooth. And then feisty swap. Shut up, you fucking crow. I have a shitload of parts for the M5, so M3 off to the side. M5, how you doing? Bitch ass nigga. I'm out, y'all. I'm out. Thanks for following me and watching my videos. I really appreciate the support. We're almost to 7,000 subs. When 7,000, shit! I forgot.
Why?
We'll just record when I remember. Let's go. Right now I remembered what to do. It's finally official. Since the M3 is stained. Hey, doggy. We're gonna put Pistachio. I made stickers, so if you guys want to support, like I was saying, the website below. But it's finally official with this little pistachio right there. Okay, I'll put this one on the other side. You guys don't gotta see this, but you guys like the video, like, subscribe, comment, all the famous YouTube stuff. Talk to me in the comments below, like always. And yeah, see you soon. Much love, guys. Sit. Wave. Wave to the people. Hey, wave. Goodbye, guys.